In this video, you'll learn how to determine if an eBay seller is legitimate. This process involves checking their feedback score, reviewing the listing details, and communicating directly with the seller to ensure a safe purchasing experience. Start by opening the seller's profile from the item listing page. You can do this by clicking on the seller's username, which is usually located near the item title. Once you access their profile, you will see their feedback score prominently displayed. This score indicates how many successful transactions the seller has completed. A higher percentage of positive feedback typically suggests that the seller is reliable. Pay close attention to recent buyer reviews that provide insights into customer satisfaction, particularly comments regarding shipping speed and the condition of the products received. Next, examine the product listing in detail before making any purchase decisions. Legitimate sellers often include clear descriptions, detailed specifications, and multiple images of the item. Look for accurate information about shipping policies, return options, and warranties. If the listing description appears vague or if the price is significantly lower than similar items, it may be a red flag. Take the time to compare this listing with similar products offered by other sellers. Doing so can help you identify any suspicious offers that may require further investigation. If you still have reservations about the seller, consider using the eBay messaging system to communicate directly with them. You can find this option on the seller's profile page. Ask specific questions about the item, such as its condition, the shipping process, or any additional details that are important to you. Legitimate sellers typically respond quickly and provide thorough answers. Their responsiveness and the quality of their answers can help you gauge their professionalism and reliability. Be cautious of sellers who decline to answer your questions or suggest making payments outside of eBay's platform. Communicating and completing transactions within eBay's system offers better protection for buyers and helps ensure a safer transaction. Always prioritize sellers who are transparent and willing to engage with potential buyers. That wraps up today's guide on how to know if an eBay seller is legit. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.